Alright guys, so I'm back here and not all hope is lost. So before we had this and we thought, okay, maybe I was going to be able to put it on here like this, and that is not going to work. So what I did instead was I figured out that you could bend this part here like this and do the same on all of these. Okay, you want to do that to all 4 of those. And then you're going to turn it around like this, with this part here facing downwards. And since you cannot actually attach it the other way, you can, however, bend it out like this. There we go. And now we'll have to find some kind of way to actually attach it on. However, it does kind of stay there without doing anything, but it's probably better if we do attach it with some kind of thing that I'm going to have to figure out. However, what you see here is when I put the props back on now, they turn and they are mostly protected, especially in this direction and in this direction. They do come out a little bit more on this side, so I don't think you can do anything about that. So you have to figure out whether you want to protect the sides more or the front more, and then you can shift that around any way you like. So you can still use this protective guard system if you want. You just have to modify it as you've just seen me do here. And I hope that I put the props in correctly, but if I didn't, then yeah. When I try to fly it, it's going to do funky things, and I have to remember which directions they went. And these are B's, these are A's, this is B, and this is A. Hopefully that's correct. Thanks for watching.